All right, guys, so we got the R1S in the house. We're gonna be installing something super cool. Here in California, it's usually pretty hot. We just wanna block that sun a little bit more. So we have EV-Base's Sunshade. I actually have it right here. And it has the reflective material on the top, and on the bottom, it's like this black. Should be pretty easy to install. I hear some clips that we are gonna have to install, but yeah, let's just get to it. R1S. All right, so we're putting the sunshade on top. Now there is only one side it fits. There's a flat side right here, and then there is a round side. You want the round side in the front, and then you just push it. Now let me tell you, I had my head right here, and then I put my head right here, and you can literally feel the heat like just on and off. It's like a light switch, so it's gonna be a huge improvement top and bottom. Alrighty, so to install the sunshade, it's actually pretty easy. First, we kind of tuck it in right here, and then we tuck it in the back. Now for the sides, so the front and back are kind of good, but the sides, they do have some slop. And you install these clips to give it that extra little thing. I did one right there. You just put it in, and yeah. So an example is you pull it down, you see how this one has a little hook right here? You kind of hook it in here, and then you kind of just use pressure, and it keeps it good. I'm thinking 3 on each side is pretty good, right? Let's do 3, 1 in the middle, 1 right here, and then 1 right here. So we're gonna put a few more clips, just so we get this nice and tight. All right, wow, what a difference in temperature. And it's actually pretty easy to remove. I think now that we know how to do it, it could take like 5 minutes to take it out. It probably takes like 1 minute to take out, but like 5 minutes to put in. Yeah. So yeah, so we just gotta put this in here. So we did 4 on each side. All right, that concludes it. You can see the headliner behind me. Super easy to install. If you're interested in this EV-based product, let me know. I'll put the links down below. Use my affiliate code JOHN to get a discount, JOHN. And that pretty much wraps it up. It looks really nice. The top part is that metallic, really reflective, and then this black kind of keeps it matte, so it cuts down reflections. Easy to install, super fast, and it works. Like, you can feel the heat difference immediately. Thank you guys for watching, I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys like this Rivian. I wanna do more videos on this, so do me a favor and hit that like button. This helps me out, and I'll be able to make more Rivian products for you guys to check out to see. Look at that, another Rivian product. So if you're looking for a charger, I have a Tesla, and this is plugged in like that. Pretty cool.